Hi again, happy weekend. I was too busy last week and I couldn't post my daily analysis. I was on a business trip. Anyway, I promise you to post my daily analysis whenever we have something new and for the next week. Anyway, but what happened during last week for NASDAQ? As you can see, the first chart of mine is always NASDAQ, and you can see that we had a breakout of this line. If you I don't know, watched my previous videos, you can probably guess that I have drawn this line for my subscribers, and I told them that if we have a breakout of this zone, we might see this zone, this one, and this one again. But it might take long. It means that that after a very sharp downtrend, we might have some days for trading range, and then investors are gonna get ready for their investments, and they buy trends anyway. But we had breakout of this zone last yesterday, and what will happen on Monday would be breakout and a pullback to this zone again. Okay, and we might see this zone soon, but as I told you, we might have trading range for some days. And anyway, but we are traders, and we don't predict everything 100%, because we're just human beings and we don't know what is going to happen next. But I have drawn these zones for you, and I just updated, and now you can say if we have a breakout of this zone and pullback, the next zone we might see would be 14,000. Let me draw and update my chart with you, and would be this zone, 14,000. And due to being a kind of round number and important one, as you can see the history, and let me yes, you can see it, this zone acted as support and resistance just 1 or 2 months ago, and this zone would be the next target we have. But I told you it takes somehow long time, and we should see the pullback is going to be I don't know, on this static resistance or on this dynamic resistance. That's it about NASDAQ, and we are going to focus on well, you can update your chart like me to have any question. Even you can ask in comments. And for US 30 or Dow Jones, I told you that we are in a downtrend. Let me show you, and you can see there was a channel like this, and after just, I don't know, support of this zone, or maybe this dynamic zone that we have 1, 2, and then this is 3. It was supported, and we can see we have even passed the midline of the channel, and we might have pulled back to this zone, and maybe again we might see 34,500. But if we want to see Dow Jones in an uptrend, so you should have a breakout of this zone. And if we can if the price is going to be more expensive than 36,000, we can see uptrend started again. That it might take longer, because we are somehow in correction, and it might take some more days. All right, this is the downtrend and the channel. You can update your channel like me. And we have another zone which is important for you, would be this one. And you can see the first reaction would be to this zone, because 1, 2, 3, this zone is important. And even you see the history of this zone, you can see this acted as a great support and resistance. So this zone would be a very strong one for Dow Jones to pass, but we should wait to see. The zone would be 34,000. Okay, the next market we are going to always talk about is XAU, or gold. And for gold, we can see something happened. Yes. Can you remember, I have drawn these two lines for you, and I said that the price is moving between these two lines, and whenever we have touch to this zone, we might have, you know, a downtrend, and whenever we have touch to this zone, we have uptrend. But there is a difference right now, because we had, you know, a touch to this zone, but something like this didn't happen. It means there are some buyers, okay, at this zone, and we should wait to see what will happen on Monday and Tuesday. But we had one reaction, second reaction, first and second. So if we have a breakout, we can say uptrend started, and this zone would be the first zone for us that you can you know, put pending order for short and use this opportunity. And the next market, and the last one in this video, is Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, we are still in a trading range, and nothing new happened. But let me just focus on this. I have drawn many lines before, and yeah, I have drawn all the you know, supports and resistance. But now you can see it is just moving as a trading range, but this trading range is kind of downtrend too. You can see but we should wait to see, of course. But I guess Bitcoin would see 20,000, and then uptrend is gonna start from there. But if we have breakout of this static zone, we might see 26,900 or 27,000 one more time. And if we have breakout 25, and then the last one would be 22 and 20. These are the things I told you and I have said about them before. That's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share the video with your friends, that they might use it and they might find it useful. Have a great time.